Hello friends, this is Hana Fitaki Food. We are professional producing the dried ginger, garlic, onion, and vegetable and fruits. And today we will show you one of the featured products, the dried ginger powder. The dried ginger powder is a seasoning made from high-quality ginger, processes raw, such as dehydration, drying, and crushing. The color of it is the original color of the ginger, and the taste is spicy and original. The moisture content is less than 8%. The shelf life is 24 months. The microbiological testing is qualified. No any pesticide residues, no any food additives, no any preservative. It's very safe and healthy.